Imagine leveraging the fundamental elements of life to heal what once seemed irrevocably damaged. This isn't a glimpse into the future, but the practical application of biotechnology, especially in the domain of regenerative medicine today. At its core, biotechnology utilizes cellular and biomolecular processes to forge technologies that promise to improve human health and our planet's welfare. Regenerative medicine exemplifies this, aiming to repair, replace, or regenerate human cells, tissues, or organs to restore normal function where previously thought impossible. Historical milestones in biotechnology have paved the way from the invention of vaccines to the advent of genetic editing. As we explore the essence and applications of biotechnology in medicine, let's remember its potential to revolutionize our approach to healing. Diving deeper into the expansive field of biotechnology reveals the transformative science of regeneration. Central to this area are tissue engineering and stem cell therapy. Tissue engineering combines biology and technology, orchestrating cells, engineering, and materials alongside biochemical signals to repair or replace tissues, signifying a new era of restoration. Stem cell therapy introduces new cells into damaged tissues, offering hope for previously incurable conditions by addressing their root causes. Together with biological scaffolds that ensure new tissue grows strong and functional, these pillars form a comprehensive approach to regeneration. As we progress, these methods reveal not only their theoretical promise but their practical applications, demonstrating their impact on real-world medical challenges and underlining the vast potential regenerative medicine holds for the future. Our exploration now takes us to the tangible successes of regenerative medicine in real-world settings, illustrating the transition from the once impossible to the achievable. Case studies highlight the significant impact of this field, such as restoring vision to the blind or repairing a child's heart through cell regeneration instead of invasive surgery. These stories are concrete proof of regenerative medicine's potential, embodied in the lives transformed globally. Ongoing research endeavors aim to transition today's experimental treatments into the standard of care, pushing the boundaries of medical science. This segment not only sheds light on the power of biotechnology but also encourages us to envision a future where medical challenges are met with innovative regenerative solutions. Navigating the intersection of innovation and ethics, we encounter critical questions shaping the future of regenerative medicine. Ethical considerations prompt us to reflect on the limits and applications of these technologies, guiding the moral direction of both scientists and policymakers. Meanwhile, the complexity of human biology and regulatory landscapes pose unique challenges, demanding innovation while ensuring safety and efficacy. This journey reminds us of the balance needed between advancing medical breakthroughs and safeguarding ethical standards, paving the way for a future where regenerative medicine can redefine our understanding of health and healing. As our journey through the landscape of medical innovation concludes, the horizon brightens with the promise of regenerative medicine. With ongoing research and emerging technologies paving the way, we stand on the brink of a new era in healthcare. This vision of tomorrow, where the regrowth of tissues and organs becomes a reality, offers hope to countless individuals facing conditions once deemed untreatable. The dedication of scientists and researchers fuels this progress, turning the tide against disease and disability. With optimism and anticipation for a healthier future, we recognize the enduring power of human ingenuity in our collective quest for healing and hope.